Hello friends, welcome to Learn One. In previous lecture, we have learned about variables and its introduction. And today we will learn about local and global variables. Local variable. Any variable that starts with underscore or contains a letter from small a to z is considered to be a local variable in Ruby. Local variable do not have its default value. We must have to initialize our local variables. For example, here in a screen you can see I have created three variables. First variable is name, that is all A to Z and in small letters. And I have initialized my variable with welcome to Learn One. I have given that string to my variable name. Here my second local variable starts with underscore, that is underscore name, and I have assigned a string value to my variable, that is my name is Learn One. The third variable, that is my underscore name, and I have initialized that variable with a numeric value 123. Global variables. In Ruby, global variable always start with a special symbol $. Global variable have its own default value, that is nil. So if we are not initializing our global variable, it will take nil as its default value. Global variable can be accessed from anywhere during the program execution. For example, here in a screen I have created two global variables. The first one is my global variable, and I have assigned a value learn1 to that variable. The second variable is your global variable, but here in my second variable I have not initialized it with any value, so its value is nil. In next lecture we will learn about instance and class variables.